So now that we have our channel and we know that we're going to be putting content on this channel under our niche, we want to figure out what content you need to put up there in order to build this incredible flow of traffic and obviously build trust with your target audience. So we need to know how to find proven is the key here. Proven YouTube video ideas. We want to make sure that they are proven to be successful so you're not wasting your time and you're on the correct road from day one. So let's start with the biggest mistake that people make when creating their YouTube channels, or that holds them back from creating their YouTube channels. They think that they have to reinvent the wheel. My biggest piece of advice for everybody out there is don't reinvent the wheel. You need to shift this mindset so that you don't get stuck and you don't think that you have to create something totally brand new. In fact, we have a strategy for you right here where you can go and find 1,000 plus. 1,000 is just an example. You can find an infinite amount of video ideas in the next 30 seconds just using this one strategy. So the strategy should shadow you through what should I post on my channel. It's called the skyscraper strategy. And if you've heard of this, it's the most powerful thing, one of the most powerful things you can take with you on your entrepreneur journey is just skyscrapering products. Not products, sorry, we use this in the Amazon niche, but skyscraping videos. So how do you do this? You ask yourself, what is already proven to be popular in your niche? So for me, I was an Amazon FBA, and I saw that this guy, Jack Perotta, had done a how to start selling on Amazon Australia video, because Amazon is now in Australia and people are wanting to know how to sell on Amazon Australia because there's a lot less competition than there is in the USA. So what did I do? You can see Freedom Formula, how to sell on Amazon Australia. We've skyscrapered his idea. He came up with the idea and we have just replicated that idea and copied that idea. And now there's thousands of these videos of people copying our idea, which we've borrowed from Jack. And of course you can see the skyscraper part of it is he had 4,000 views. We have 60,000 views. So we have built our skyscraper. We've built our tower bigger and better than his. So you can skyscraper videos in your own niche. So I want to walk you through a quick visual representation of this. You can see here, this blue represents your niche, and these towers, these buildings are how many views or how well your video is doing. So you can see if you browse YouTube in your niche, you're going to see there's videos doing really well, there's videos not doing well at all. And each video is going to have its own level of success. Now, you have the runaway hits, the big ones that people really vibe with, something that really connects with your customer and your target audience. And these are the skyscrapers. These are the big ones you can see in the middle. What you need to do is you need to go into your niche and find these skyscrapers, find these massive videos that people like, and build yours bigger and better. Similar like we did with Amazon Australia, we can go and watch Jack Perotta's video. We can be like, what's he talking about? Why is this successful? Cool, we got it. We take his video and we combine it with our skills and a couple of other more amazing videos, meaning we take the elements of his video that people liked and we combine it with other elements that we know people like in our niche, and we make sure it's more in depth. If Jack Perotta was like the 6 things you need to know, we're the 7 things you need to know. We build it slightly higher than his skyscraper, and our results reflect this because we've gone out there for people in our own niche. Remember, the key word at the start of this was proven. These are proven video ideas. We don't need to sit there, stare at a wall and trying to come up with our own product ideas. We need to go out there and find what's already working, make it better, and put our own stamp on it, put our own brand in it, make people trust us as a brand to be teaching it. And this is where documenting your journey, if you're a student, comes in. And all you need to do is build your tower, build your video bigger and better than the original one that you're getting inspiration from. So you can take video ideas from other niches as well and make them incredible and suitable for your own niche. So you can see in this example, this blue city represents our niche. This is Amazon FBA for me, or whatever it is, cooking, or whatever it is for your niche. And we have taken a video that's done well, Amazon FBA Australia, and we've made it Amazon FBA Australia 2.0, better than the original, and we're getting more results, much better results than the original video of Jack Perotta. But We've also done this with other niches. If you have a smaller niche, or if you're really wanting to have a runaway hit video, what you can do is you can actually take videos from another niche and move it into your niche and then make it relevant. You can make it relevant. We call it a niche breaker. You can make it relevant to your niche. Very, very easy. And I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. But the key here, we'll play the animation again just so you understand. It could be this red niche over there, could be one that's pretty general. It could be cryptocurrency. So this is how you make money with cryptocurrency. They're the red videos over there. They're all how to make money with cryptocurrency or explaining what is cryptocurrency. Our niche is Amazon FBA, which is the similarity is they're both how to make money. We can take a video that did really well in cryptocurrency, which could be the top 5 cryptocurrency coins to invest in. And we could take that idea and it could be top 5 cryptocurrency coins are not as powerful as this method to make money. And that could be the video that we create. And obviously the top 5 cryptocurrency coins, we can go through them and we can be like, but none of them are more powerful than building an e-commerce asset with Amazon FBA. And we've made this video, we've taken this idea from another niche and made it relevant to ours. So to go through a few of these with you, here is Logan Paul, which is a very large YouTube channel. He is very popular. If you don't know him, he's very popular with kids and he does his own vlog and podcast. What he does is he puts out these music videos, which go really well. Music videos do incredibly well on YouTube. People do use YouTube a lot for music. And his name, Logan Paul, is the commodity, is the niche, is the thing that does really well. So my friend at Charisma on Command, what they've done is they've taken his name, Logan Paul, and they've used it. They do charisma breakdown. So they'd be like, why is Logan Paul a genius? They'll break down Logan Paul's mindset and understanding and charisma and charm and explain why he gets the results that he does. And basically they're riding on the trend of Logan Paul, which is the valuable piece of content here. You know, people are searching Logan Paul. He can start ranking in Logan Paul's suggested videos because his name and his video is about Logan Paul. So he's taken it from a niche of Logan Paul and his personal vlog and personal brand, and he's taken it into the charisma niche or personal development niche by using his name and tying it back to his own niche. So you can see we've done it here as well. We run at Freedom Formula, obviously we run a entrepreneurship brand. So teaching people how to make money, how to improve their lives financially. You can see in this example that we had down here, we had a marshmallow real identity reveal video that had 8.5 million views. And we have just skyscrapered this other video, which is Marshmallow revealed who is Marshmallow. We can see that's already done well at 1.1 million views. We made our video better. We made it more enticing to click, which we're going to go through that together. And you can see we outperformed them, but we took a topic that was proven, a video idea that was proven, and we were able to tie it back into marketing and making money online. And we can show you how we did that in this module as well. So what you need to know in coming up with these ideas is, one, you can go through YouTube, the suggested videos, you can browse the search bar, and you can do all of that and get an infinite amount of video ideas. The other way you can do it is you don't have to wait until the trend hits YouTube. You can actually catch the trend earlier, or you can come up with new and creative ideas on other forms of media, such as Reddit. So you can remember a long time back this black and gold dress, or this blue and black dress, I think it is. I don't know. I see white and gold. I'm not sure what you see. Comment it below. But you can see that this was on Reddit and it blew up on Reddit. People like, is it black and blue or is it white and gold? And obviously the YouTubers took advantage of this. They took this piece of content that was proven to be viral, proven to be a point of interest with people. And you can see they skyscrapered this content and tied it back to their niche. So ASAP Science, it's a scientific channel. They did what color is this dress? Like, everybody is familiar with the what color this dress conundrum. And they say solved with science. So they have niche broken and they've tied it back to their niche. The other one is BuzzFeed Multiplayer, the color of this dress according to science. They did the same thing. They basically took this trend and they tied it back to their own brand. The other one is the news. So you can see there's a channel called Daily Dose of Internet, which just curates the best things on the internet. They took this news article, watch two baby bears wrestle in the cutest match ever. You can see the little icon up there is really adorable and everyone wants to watch that. It's very good clickbait and it's very good story gap, which we're going to get into those tactics inside this module. But what you need to know is this channel went out to the news websites, found news that they thought would make enticing videos, and skyscrapered their content. So they've called it Baby Bears Wrestle in the Road, and obviously used that thumbnail, and they've got over 3 million views. So you don't have to just look on YouTube. You can look anywhere for things that are proven to do well, but that is the criteria that you need to know. It's what has proven to be successful already, what has proven that people like, proven that people watch and people share. That's the sort of content that you want to be making, and it doesn't all have to be that. And we're going to break down the styles of content, but this is the biggest thing you need to know. You need to have demand for the thing that you're making your video about. Alternative top places to look, if you're not looking at the Reddit or you're not looking at news website or YouTube, you can look at blog posts. What are people blogging about? Movies, what are the current trends in movies? Books, go to the Amazon best-selling charts and see what the books are that people are reading, and make video content around those books. Could be magazines, what are the headlines at the moment, podcasts, radio. There's so many places for you to go and find these video ideas. But the thing that, if I could be more helpful to you right now, and I think that you may be stuck in motion, not ready to take action yet, I need you to know that you are ready to take action, and you just need to start with one video. You need to go to one of these places, preferably YouTube, because you can see what's already successful, and you can go and just choose a video that you want to skyscraper, tie it back to your niche, and make that video. Just sit down and make that video, a 5-minute video. Get yourself out there, get yourself able to be discovered, able to learn the process. Because once again, we're only up to 10% of the process. This is the very early stages, and we can't afford to get stuck here. So make sure that you're looking ongoing at these places. Make sure you're doing your research in the topic of what you post about. But this is how you break through that limiting belief that you can't have an infinite amount of product video ideas, that, oh, I can only think of 3 videos I want to make. Go out there and find an infinite amount. You can write them down in your list, in your workbook, over 1,000 video ideas just by browsing YouTube in 20 minutes. So if you can write that fast, that is cool. So that's it for this. Let's jump into the next